Good afternoon, Judge.
Is this,
I'm ready.
well, we got, he doesn't have.
Mr.
Good afternoon.
Mays?
Are you Mr. Mays? Can you shake your head? Yeah. Could you tell her to please turn on the microphone so you could speak and we could hear you? There we go. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello,
How
Mr.
you
Mays.
doing?
I'm
How you
Judge
doing?
Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
How you
And you
doing?
have a couple cases here that are unresolved.
Yeah.
They are resisting arrest and battery on a law enforcement officer. It looks like you received the tickets on January 6th of 2024.
Yeah.
What I've done is I've appointed counsel for you, Mr. Lilich, who is here on the Zoom so that you can speak with him to determine how we need to proceed. I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters.
Yeah.
So if you could ask the
Hey Dominic, this is Shane. I'm having
breakout
some
room,
sort of
you'll be able to
audio.
talk to your lawyer in private.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Make sure the breakout room's open there, Lorena.
Yes, Judge, I'm about to move.
All right, thank you.
And then
Did they ask you to go to breakup? Nah.
Mr. Mays, if you could tell her to put you in a breakout room.
Breakout room, she said.
Yes.
Do you
Okay.
need something, Shane? I guess.
Yeah, the breakout rooms should be open so you can use them. All right.
I think he has issues listening. Or
I don't know.
Okay.
We
I've
can
called
hear you.
Dominic.
We can hear you now.
Dominic's coming.
Okay.
The breakout room is open. Can you see that? I can hear you.
He cannot hear us.
I got you.
Mhm.
Actually, I'm having a technical problem. Yeah, thanks for
We can
calling.
hear you. So we can hear you crystal clear.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, and I can hear Ashley. I can hear
Turn
everybody.
on your,
I'm very sorry.
Okay, I can't hear now. Yeah.
I cannot.
Can you? Well, you're now muted. Okay.
just trying to troubleshoot, Your Honor.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
I'm sorry, we were in,
We're having some technical difficulties with
She
your
is saying
appointed
something.
counsel.
Nothing.
And so that's
Nothing.
why we're having the issues.
Oh,
I
okay.
can see you manipulating it on the screen.
Is it being turned up?
It was a moment ago.
I can
Okay,
hear you,
were turning
Shane.
it up there.
I just be your USB. It's your camera. This I think is your.
It says your default speaker has been changed to say something else. And actually, I'm gonna.
Mr. Mays, if you just be patient.
You didn't have anywhere to be, did you? Man. Next week, I'll get out here.
oh, okay. Out for Thanksgiving, huh?
Probably that was Thanksgiving dinner for the Lord.
Oh,
This Thanksgiving.
2 weeks from yesterday. Yep.
So,
Mhm.
All right, Judge, I think we're okay now, if you can hear me.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Great.
All right. The breakout rooms are open, so you can go visit with Mr. Mays. Mr. Mays, if they could put you back in the breakout, that would be great.
Thank you, Judge.
Here we go.
Mr. Lilich?
Thank you for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Mays, Your Honor. Your Honor, has the court already addressed the issue of bond with Mr. Mays? Because I wasn't able to hear that earlier.
I did not. I do know that he has a criminal matter over in district court. I don't believe they have a bond set.
Okay, all right, very good. Your Honor, the city has made a plea offer today that I've discussed with Mr. Mays. He's declined that offer. He would ultimately like his case set for trial, but his request today would be that the court grant him an own recognizance bond, order him to appear so he can schedule an appointment with our office. I have explained to him how to do that. Your Honor, I've also spoke with him about his previous failure to appear. He advised me that he was in the hospital on his last court date. He wanted me to tell you that he will promise to appear if down in the future if the court should grant him an own recognizance bond. So we would ask that you consider the same, Your Honor.
Well, I'm looking back at my notes. It appears that he was booked into jail August 15th. On August 18th, I gave him an OR bond on these charges. So he's been on OR bond since that time. I believe that the charges that are currently pending over there is what's holding him. I show he has a preliminary hearing November 20th, which is next Thursday. So what I'll do is, if Mr. Mays, you're able to get out of jail due to those other charges, you're out, okay? Because these charges are not holding you at all, okay? So what I'll do is I'll set this to revisit everything December 12th.
Okay.
Because if you don't get bound over on those charges over there, you'll be out,
Yeah.
I'm assuming, and you can come over and get an appointment with counsel.
Yeah.
All right. If
Yeah.
you are still in custody, I don't know, but then at least December 12th, we can kind of touch base and figure out what's going on.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
All right. So this will be continued to December 12th at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
And we'll see where everybody stands at that point.
Okay,
And
so that
Judge,
means,
he's released, he's ordered to appear at 1 o'clock December the
Right. If you are out
okay.
on December 12th, you better be here at 1 o'clock or a warrant will be issued.
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Thank you.
right.
Yeah.
All right. If you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
I'm fine.
All right. You have a good day. You can give the headphones back
You too.
now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we're changing pods and we're gonna see Arvin Farrell next.
All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Judge, while we're still on, if I can take up another matter since the
Yeah.
prosecutor's on. The court might recall that Ms. Johnson and I visited with you last week about Rebecca Hewitt, who who called in after the docket and sent us some information to confirm that she had COVID. She had failed to appear on November the 6th. And you might remember that the court set aside, well, I believe you ordered to set aside the warrant,
Let's see.
give her a new court date of December the 11th.
All
It's
right.
still showing in IMDS as a warrant.
I'll make a note, Miss Lorraine, if you could recall the warrants that she has 2 cases on that person, Rebecca Hewitt, and we'll continue it to that December 11th date. What time was that?
It was 8:30, Your Honor.
8:30?
And just so
December 11th at
everybody's
8:30.
just so everybody's clear, her last name is Hewitt.
Right.
Hewitt.
And what date do you want to give her, Judge?
December 11th at 8:30.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge. And hopefully I didn't say anything I shouldn't have earlier when, when I
Oh,
had,
no, yeah, no, you were fine. You were just talking technical issues there.
I didn't know the mic was, I couldn't see that.
Yeah. I was telling you we could hear you, but you couldn't hear that, so. And what we're gonna do, if anybody does plea today, I am gonna print those plea things out, sign them, and I'll bring them down to you
Okay, thanks,
after.
Judge.
Yeah,
Okay, the warrants are canceled for Rebecca Hewitt.
okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. You said 11,
Correct.
and you wrote down the 12, December 12th at
I don't know.
8:30.
11th. I'll fix it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Go ahead and have a seat for me, sir. This is your video court for your Kansas City, Kansas city charges.
Hello, Mr. Farrow. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. The charges are fleeing or attempting to elude, driving while suspended, no insurance, and driving at an unsafe speed. It looks like the tickets were issued August 1st of this year. I have appointed counsel for you, Mr. Lilich, who is here on the Zoom. And I would like you to visit with him concerning how we're going to proceed. I wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial. So I want you to speak to Mr. Lilich so we can figure out how we're going to go. If you could tell the lady that just gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
She said, put me in a breakout room.
Yes, Mr. Lilich?
Your Honor, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Farrow. Your Honor, the city did make a plea offer to resolve his pending charges. I did review that with him. Mr. Farrow's kind of got a unique situation. He was recently sentenced, and he advises me that he's appealed that sentence, and the disposition of that is pending. If that sentence were affirmed, it sounds like he is going to be in
Uh,
custody for a while. If not, I think he's going to be released.
on
Other
probation.
Well, right, and other than a Douglas County hold. So, Judge, he wants to work on his suspension with his license. He thinks he's near reinstatement. He'd like to get that cleared up to possibly improve the plea offer that's been made by the city. So could we set this out to review it maybe a month out on the jail docket? And then I think we'll have a better idea of where Mr. Farrow stands.
Well, yes, I can set it out. I am going to, but it's my understanding that probably Douglas County will come and get him, or the sentence, um, uh, or they'll execute the sentence while he's awaiting appeal. I don't know. He is not being held on these charges, so I will set a date in the future. If you are out of custody, you must appear or a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to go to the January 22nd because that may give time for whatever's going to happen in Douglas County to happen. Maybe you get released there and then you're out. I don't know. But January 22nd, and that'll be at 1 o'clock. Did you have any questions at all, Mr. Farrow?
No, ma'am.
All right, so we've continued it to that January 22nd date. If you are not in Wyandotte County custody, and you are in some other jail somewhere, or because you won't appear, a warrant will be issued. I can't bring you back from Douglas County or somewhere. I can't do it on Zoom. All right?
That would make no sense because if I'm in custody in Douglas County, I'm
Mhm.
still in jail. I'm not out on the
Correct.
streets or nowhere in that function.
Correct. But at least with the warrant, that'll put a hold on you so that they'll bring you back here, if that happens. We're getting into the weeds of maybe, sortas, we don't know. So,
Okay.
but if you are out and about January 22nd at 1 o'clock here in City Hall on the second floor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, you have a good day.
You know,
Next person is Quincy Hopwanger. Lisa, this is your video port for your Kansas City, Kansas charges that you have.
Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a couple charges that are unresolved here. They are shoplifting and possession of marijuana. The tickets were issued June 17th of 2025. What I have done is appointed you counsel in this matter, Mr. Lilich. He is on the Zoom and would like to speak to you, reference these charges, figure out how we're going to proceed. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. If that's how we want to go, we can get it set for trial. But I'd like for you to speak to Mr. Lilich before that. So if you could tell the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
Say, can you put me in a breakout room?
Yes, Mr. Lilich?
Judge, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Halterwanger. After speaking with him, my understanding is that he does have a pending felony. He's anticipating being released next week on that. He has been approved for diversion on the charges pending before this court. He would like to proceed with diversion. I would ask that the court continue this case out 2 weeks based on what he told me so that we can meet with him and get his contact information and put him on path to do diversion.
All right. If I set this for December 18th, that's a Thursday, you should be out by then. That's after Thanksgiving. Does that sound right?
Yes.
All right. So I'll set this for December 18th at 8:30. Please be in court on that date so we can get you all set up with your appointment with your lawyer and figure this out.
Okay.
All right. If you're still in custody, because I don't know, we'll know you're there and then we can work from there. All right.
All right.
Okay. So this will be continued December 18th at 8:30. If you don't have any other questions, you can give your headphones back to the lady that gave them to you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we're changing pods and we're gonna see Denzel Moore.
All right. Thank you.
Ma'am, while we change pods, I'm just gonna run real quick. I'll be right back.
Do it. Yeah.
Not good. Call me back. Call me back. Have a seat here for me, sir. This is your video port for your Kansas City charges. Headphones, so you can have a private conversation with your attorney when he comes on.
All right, Mr. Moore, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. The charge is destruction of property. It looks like the ticket was issued September 16th of this year. I have appointed Mr. Lilich to help represent you in this matter. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I want you to visit with Mr. Lilich to determine if that's how we need to proceed. So if you would ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
Okay. That was I here locked up when September 16th I was here, wasn't I? I was here in
I
the
don't
jail.
show, let me look you up. It looks like you were booked in September 16th. So yeah, it might have happened in the jail for all I know. Or 729 Shawnee Avenue is the address that was listed as a violation.
Your
So
Honor, sorry, the
Go ahead.
report listed playground equipment, ma'am.
Playground, yeah, it's at Shawnee Avenue, but you were booked in at that time. Yes. I'll let you speak to your lawyer concerning this, all right? So
Yeah,
I
I'd like
asked to
to.
put, ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout.
Can I get in a breakout? She said a break. I never heard of that before. Never heard of that charge.
Yeah, it looks like that's what got him in custody, and then he had those other warrants for probation violations, it looks like. Yes, Mr. Lilich?
Judge, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Moore. Your Honor, the city has made a plea offer to resolve Mr. Moore's pending criminal damage to property charge. I have reviewed that offer with him. I have explained his rights related to trial that are available to him as an alternative to accepting the plea offer. After discussing that with him, he has opted to accept the plea offer from the city. It's his understanding that per that offer, he'll be pleading guilty to criminal damage to property. And in exchange, the city will order that he pay $500 restitution for some damaged playground equipment. Your Honor, I have advised Mr. Moore that I'd ask the court to give him 90 days to pay on that. But other than that, he would ask that the court adopt that agreement I've described as its order.
Mr. Moore, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that you are wanting to plead to the destruction of property and just pay restitution. That's how the city wants to resolve this.
Yeah, as long as I'm out, I'm able to pay for it. I'll
Right.
pay, I guess.
Right.
I won't go there no more, wherever that was.
Yeah. I show that it was 729 Shawnee Avenue is where
Yeah, I heard, but I don't even know what that is or what that is.
all
But
right.
I'll go pay. I'll pay.
All right. By entering this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yeah, but it won't hold me here.
Yeah.
I'll be able to pay, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It won't hold me here.
No.
Right.
Well, and I will tell you right now, let me look at my notes because I don't believe this charge is holding you at this time.
Right.
It looks like you have some kind of issues over in district court. You have an OR bond on this matter.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so today, if you plea or you want it set for trial, either way, I don't believe you're going to be released, but we aren't holding you. The city is not holding you.
Right. I'll be able to pay.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
All
All
right.
right. Yeah. I'll be able
Okay,
to pay.
so to the charge of destruction of property, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
I guess I plead guilty if I'm able
All
to
right.
pay it.
I'll
I don't want
accept your plea and order no fine or jail time, only to pay the restitution of the $500. Now I will continue this for payment, and I'll go to the end of February. That'll give you quite a few months there to get this taken care of. I will go to February 27th at 1 o'clock. If you haven't paid anything or you haven't received a new court date from the court clerk for payment, you need to be here February 27th at 1.
Yeah. I see
Okay?
what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you mean.
All right. All right. So I so the if you pay $20 or $50, they'll move the date for you. But if you don't pay anything, it'll still be that February date. All right.
Right.
Okay.
I see.
Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right. So that'll be the order of the court. I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. You have a good
Okay.
day. You can give the headphones back.
Yes, ma'am.
Deputy, we're done. Okay, I'm changing pods and we're gonna see Maurice Brown next.
All right. Thank you.
The deputy will take care of it. Yeah.
Miss Lorena? Miss, Lor-
Yes, yes,
if with a, do I need to fill out a restitution form if the restitution goes to the unified government?
that I don't know.
Yeah, I would do that because then we know exactly where it's going.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will seek guidance on the ninth floor about who I should say it's to.
He
Right.
would have to pay at the window and then we set it up for the whoever the money goes to.
Yes, ma'am. I'll figure it out, Miss Lorena. I just wasn't sure.
Mhm. Yeah, he would have to bring it here. Okay. Mhm.
We're ready.
I didn't see nothing. Don't want to know. Brown, have a seat. This is your video court for your Kansas City, Kansas charges. We're going to put that on. You'll be talking with your attorney, and this is so you can have a private call.
Hello, Mr. Brown. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of unresolved matters here. Failure to appear summons, 3 counts of petty larceny, possession of drug paraphernalia, resisting arrest, trespassing, and another possession of drug paraphernalia. I want you to understand they have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. What I've done is I've appointed counsel for you, Mr. Lilich, who is here on the Zoom. What I'd like for you to do is visit with him so we can figure out how we're going to proceed. So if you'd ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
She said, put me in a breakout room.
We're ready when you are, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Brown. Your Honor, the city has made a plea offer to resolve Mr. Brown's pending charges. I have reviewed that offer with him. I've also explained to him his rights related to trial. After having that discussion, Mr. Brown has opted to accept the city's plea offer. It's his understanding that as part of that plea agreement, he will be pleading guilty to 2 counts of possession of drug paraphernalia, 1 count of resisting arrest, 1 count of theft, and 1 count of trespassing, and that the city will move to dismiss the remaining charges and request a $650 fine. Judge, I think there's a $23.50 court costs on the plea form that may not be appropriate. So I've talked to him about a $650 fine. Your Honor, as part of the agreement, the city is not seeking any underlying jail sentence or that Mr. Brown serve any jail time. Judge, Mr. Brown would ask that the court adopt that agreement I just summarized as its order.
Mr. Brown, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes, Your Honor.
It looks like you don't wish to go to trial, but you want to plead to, it looks like 5 of the charges.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And Mr. Lilich is right. There is not any kind of court cost or fees, so it would be just $650 that you would owe.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, understanding that, by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial, and that's how you want to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm just going to list them out and ask you how you plead. Possession of drug paraphernalia ×2.
Guilty.
Trespassing,
Guilty.
petty larceny,
Guilty.
and resisting arrest.
Guilty.
All right. I will accept your pleas and assess just the fines as noted. So it'll be a total of $650.
Yes, ma'am.
I will, you will be released today on these charges because I know I had set a bond in this matter. But I do know there is some kind of Johnson County hold, so I don't know if you're going to get out.
Yeah,
but
I'll go to
we
Johnson
are-
County.
Yeah, but we are not holding you now.
All right.
And we'll
Thank you
let
very
the
much.
jail know that.
All right. Thank you very
All right.
much.
But what I need to do is set a time for you to at least, get this stuff paid off. I'm going to go to a February 28th date, 27th, February 27th. And that is, a few months away, hoping that your Johnson County can get resolved and that kind of thing. I want you to understand that if you pay $20 or $50, they'll move that court date for you. But if you have paid nothing, you need to be here on February 27th. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Did you have any questions at all?
Where will I be making the payments to? Where do I go?
It will be here at City Hall on the 2nd floor.
Okay.
At the cashier, or you can pay online. There's a mechanism to do that.
I'll just come up here because I live right here. So.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
All right, sounds good. If you do come up and you pay 20 or 50, they'll give you a new court date and kind of move the date along. All right.
Okay. Amen.
Your Honor, what time was that on February 27th?
It'll be at 1 o'clock. All right. All right. Otherwise, if you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing, and I wish you good luck in Johnson County.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Changing pods again, we're gonna see Sean Handy.
All right. Thank you.
And Mr. Lilich, this is the one where there is new cases as well as a motion to revoke. I did forward you that motion to revoke. And the city would be asking for underlying on that, based upon Miss Holton's recommendation, just so you know, Shane.
Oh, okay.
And Miss Lorena, I'm working on it. Sorry.
Thanks, Ashley.
You're welcome, Shane. Miss Lorena, you're gonna have to take it out of disposition because I can't fix it
Okay.
unless you want to fix it and leave it the way it is.
Okay, just put notes or remarks on it.
I did,
Okay, thank
But
you,
there's-
Judge.
Thank you, Judge. Apologies. Thank you.
oh, no worries.
Doing pretty good.
Sean. Ivy. I'll send the workers. So
Mr. Handy, this is your video port for your city charges, so it needs to get by, stand up early. Stand up, sir, for.
Can I get up?
Okay, so go ahead. Okay, this is your video port. Charges. Go ahead and put the headphones on for me. And you would talk to the judge and your attorney.
Mr. Handy, I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. There are a couple things that are pending here. One is a motion to revoke your probation. The allegation is that you failed to appear for your court-ordered orientation for probation. And also, it looks like you have some new pending charges. You have jaywalking, exposing yourself, vagrancy, and let's see, interference with a law enforcement officer. What I've done is I have appointed counsel for you to help us navigate this. What I'd like for you to do is visit with him so we can determine how we're going to proceed. So if you'd ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private. So ask her to put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Yeah, ask her.
The breakout room. She said, ask you to put me in the breakout room.
And ma'am, just for future reference, the 729 Shawnee Avenue is called Shawnee Park.
Who knew?
I did not, but now we do.
Now we do. Mr. Lilich?
Your Honor, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Mr. Handy. Your Honor, the city has made an offer to resolve their pending motion to revoke and Mr. Handy's other pending charges. I have reviewed that offer with him. He has requested that I ask you to set a hearing on the motion to revoke and the other charges for trial. Your Honor, as part of our discussion, Mr. Handy acknowledges that he has failed to appear in the past. He has told me that he wants me to request that you grant him an own recognizance bond today. He's advised me that he is residing at the City Union Mission in Kansas City, Missouri, and that he has a plan to pay for a cab ride to come to the trial and the hearing. And he's planning on paying for that out of his disability income. And he has advised me to tell you that he will promise to appear at that hearing if you grant him an OR bond today.
Mr. Handy, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes.
That you're asking it to be, the new charges to be set for trial and to have that hearing on your motion to revoke?
Yeah.
All right. Ms. Hutton, I have Abigail Fithian as one of the cops.
Um, that Fithian, Your Honor, is Friday AM.
Right. And then I have Sachin Daniel.
Friday AM.
All right. And then we've got Fithian. Okay, so it'll be a Friday AM. If I set this December 19th at 8:30, will that be enough time? I know we got the holiday.
Did you say December 18th, ma'am?
I'm sorry, 19th.
19th, okay.
Yeah.
I do hate to sell myself short because that is not actually 30 working days, but it is, we probably,
Yeah, because the next week's the holiday. I hate to keep to get this going that far out.
I believe that since they're all police officers, ma'am, yes, ma'am, let's give the 19th a go.
All right. So December 19th, and it'll be at 8:30 AM. And let me look at what your bond is.
$250.
A $250 bond. Mr. Handy, I will reduce your bond, but I'm not going to give you an OR bond. I'm going to lower it to $150. If you make that, you will have to be here on December 19th at 8:30. If you are still in custody, we'll do a transport order for you. So that will be the order of the court. Do you have any questions at all?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Or do you want to talk to your lawyer again?
Yeah, I hmm.
Mr. Handy, if you want to talk to me, we can ask the judge to put us back in the breakout room.
Right, you can talk to your
Okay.
lawyer again. Yeah, ask the lady that gave you those headphones, put you in a breakout, back in the breakout. Ask her,
Breakout.
there you go, yeah. Yes, Mr. Lilich?
Judge, Mr. Handy wanted to ask me to call his mother to help him post bond.
Oh.
And he has discussed that with the jail, and they have told him that they will let him make a call.
Okay, perfect. All right. All right, well, as I noted, it'll be continued to that December 19th at 8:30. If you are out of custody, you need to be here on that date. Make sure you have your mom help you out to get
Okay.
here. But I will lower your bond. We'll send that paperwork over, lowering it to the $150. All right?
All right.
All right. That'll be the end of the hearing, and you can give your headphones back to the lady.
Okay. Oh, till the hearing.
Okay, we're changing pods again and we're gonna see Brianna Green next.
All right, thank you.
You see that here, add to complications. So we're gonna put you in the two.
Your Honor? Change of plans. We're gonna see Chatoria Lee.
Oh, okay, no worries.
Okay. This is your city video court. Okay. Headphones, you'll be talking to your attorney. That's so you can have a private conversation.
All right, Miss Lee, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court, and you have two unresolved charges here. One is a domestic battery. It looks like the ticket was issued July 13th of 2025, and then a possession of drug paraphernalia. It looks like it was issued August 13th of 2024. I have appointed counsel for you in this matter, Mr. Lilich. So what I'd like for you to do is speak with him on how we're going to proceed in this matter. I wish you to understand that you do have an absolute right to a trial in this, and after speaking with Mr. Lilich, we'll figure that out. All right?
All right, thank you.
So if you, the person that gave you those headphones, if you would ask them to put you in a breakout, you'll be able to speak to Mr. Lilich in private.
Okay.
So ask her to put you in a breakout. Is she around?
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh,
Can you-
okay, good. So she can do that for you. Mr. Lilich?
Your Honor, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Miss Lee. Your Honor, the city has made a plea offer to resolve Miss Lee's pending charges before this court. I have reviewed that with her. She has declined that plea offer. Your Honor, Miss Lee has advised me that she does have another matter in Wyandotte County District Court. She does expect to be released on December 1st in that matter. Her request would be that the court grant her an own recognizance bond on these charges and order her to appear after that December the 1st date. She would like to schedule a time to meet with our office and review discovery. Your Honor, I did speak with Miss Lee about her past failure to appear. She has advised me that since that time she has had a baby, and she has a more mature approach to her responsibilities, and she will promise to appear if you'll consider doing as I've suggested.
Right. Well, I understand that. Currently she has an OR bond with us. The
Oh.
only hold is with the Wyandotte County. So what I will do is she'll be continued on the bond that we have, which is an OR bond. The only condition is that you not have violent contact with Wayne Steen, Steen.
Yeah.
And I will continue this matter to December 4th at 1 o'clock. So if you are out, you will have to be in city court on December 4th at 1.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
And that way we can facilitate getting you an appointment with counsel and then setting another date. All
Okay.
right. Okay. So I wish you good luck in your district court matter. If you are not out, because I don't have any say in any of that, if you aren't out, we'll know you're still there and then we can work from there. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank
Did
you.
you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just, I'm hoping that you'll get out and I'll expect to see you December 4th at 1.
Okay.
All
Thank you.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome. I was told Brianna has been a problem child today, so to take a moment to get her here.
Lorena, what is Miss Green's bond, if any?
Let me check. 1,000.
$1,000 bond?
Yes.
All right.
She's the last one.
He is the last one.
Have a seat, ma'am. Ms. Green, this is your video court for your Kansas City, Kansas morning.
Hello, Ms. Green. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. There are 4 charges pending. You have petty larceny and trespassing. Those tickets were issued September 23rd of this year out at the Legends. You have a trespassing charge issued October 11th of 2025 out at the Legends, and then a destruction of property. The ticket was issued August 23rd of this year at 700 Minnesota. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. I have appointed counsel for you, Mr. Lilich, who is here to talk to you about these charges so we can figure out how we need to proceed. So if you would ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Mr. Lilich in private.
Okay.
So if you can ask her to do that.
She said keep me in a breakout room.
Mr. Lilich?
Judge, thanks for that opportunity to meet with Ms. Green. I have met with her, Your Honor. The city has made a plea offer to resolve her pending charges before this court. I have explained to Ms. Green her rights related to trial. After having that discussion with her, she has opted to accept the city's plea offer. Uh, Your Honor, it's her understanding of the plea agreement that she will be pleading guilty to 2 counts of trespassing, 1 count of theft, and 1 count of criminal damage to property. And in exchange for that plea, the city will be requesting that she be ordered not to return to Walmart at the Legends and that she pay a total of an $800 fine. Your Honor, Ms. Green has expressed concern about paying that fine. I did tell her that the court may consider a later request from her to waive some of that fine if she's paying on it. Your Honor, she would ask that the court adopt what I've just summarized as its order.
I also note there's a state fee which is not assessed, so it would be just a total of $800 total. All right, Miss Green, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That you're willing to plead to these charges, and one of the conditions is to stay away from, it looks like, the Walmart out at the Legends.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Do you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And that's how you want to proceed today.
Yes.
I will tell you that Mr. Lilich is correct. If you are making payments on it, but you are having difficulty, you can come and ask the court to reduce the fine. All right.
Yes,
But I
ma'am.
got to see some good faith that you're trying.
Okay,
Does
thank you.
that make sense?
Yes.
All right. All right. So to the charges of destruction of property, petty larceny, and those 2 trespassing charges, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea. I will abide by the plea agreement. You're looking at a total of $800 fine, and that not to return to the Walmart out at the Legends. And that will be the order. I will set it for payment. I'm going to go to the end of February because we've got all the holidays and that. So if you make any payments at all, a $20 or a $50 payment, they'll move the date so that February 27th won't matter. Because all we're looking for is good faith on your part to make payments. Okay. But if you've paid nothing, you need to be in court February 27th at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
I know right now your bond is $1,000. It will now be an OR bond, and you'll be released with that new court date of that February 27th. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, I do know that there was some kind of Wyandotte County hold on you.
Yes.
But the city is not holding you anymore. If they don't file charges, you'll be released.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Did you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
All right. That'll be the order of the court, and you can give your headphones back now to the person.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Hey, she was our last one.
Yes. You have a great weekend.
Thanks, you guys too.
All right.
Have a
And
good weekend.
Mr. Lilich, I'll bring these down in just a second for you to sign.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.